Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a slow cooked beef brisket with beef and hot beef and onion butties. So I've got a 0.7 kilogram joint of beef. I've got a tablespoon of garlic granules, a tablespoon of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of flour and some salt and pepper in this bowl. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that onto the chopping board. And we're going to cut into this. You just want to pat dry the beef, and you just want to roll your beef in your flour, about a tablespoon of oil, and get that up to a high heat. The pan is heating up. We will sort the onions and carrots out. Put down. I'm going to quarter them halfway down. High heat now. Shake off that excess. Go in with that. Just want to sear it all. 400ml of stock. Smells lovely already. Right, chuck that in your slow cooker. The carrots for about 5 or 10 minutes. 400ml of stock. I'll add the garlic now. Fry that off for an extra 3 minutes, 2-3 minutes or so. All the flavours back up. Chuck that straight in your slow cooker on top of your beef, around your beef. I like to turn my slow cooker onto high heat. High heat for the first half an hour, just to get that temperature up. And then I'll put it on low for the next 7-8 hours until tea time. Right, so now I've got 3 tablespoons of corn flour in there. We're going to take our meat out. Wrap that up in tin foil. Let that rest. Just like that. So now you want to just get some of that cooking liquid. Add it to your corn flour. Give that a stir. So it's about that consistency. And then add that to your stock. And just give that a good mix in. Right, now you want to cook that for another half an hour or so. Let that thicken up. Just giving that a mix. Keep sure you keep mixing it. Make sure you keep mixing it, should I say. You just don't want any lumps to start forming. Good. Oh. That's well worth the extra work. Like, comment and subscribe.